What we're going to look at today is how to download your attendance report from Starfish, and then how to break it down based upon each student and how many dates they've been absent, present, tardy, etc. So first, once you've logged into Starfish, up at the top, you want to click on the Students tab up here. And once you're in the students area, make sure you click on attendance here, and that will bring up your attendance for your class roster for one of your classes. To change the course that you want to look at, over on the right here, you just simply click on course section, and you would choose one of the other sections for that day. Now, there's a couple different options you have. There is an option right here to click attendance report. It looks like a little cloud with an arrow pointing down. And all you need to do is simply click on that, and it's going to ask you if you want to open that with Microsoft Excel. You just say OK. And what it's going to do is open up for you in Excel, and it's actually opening up in my other window, a report on students. Once you've downloaded your Excel list and you've opened it up, you'll see here just a cover page. What you really want is the third sheet at the bottom here. It's called Student Attendance. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see your full list of students. And this is a really long list. You could just send your list of students here and all their dates of attendance, whether they were present or not, and all of that. You have a lot of great data here. You could just send that to your division, but if you really want the breakdown of how many times a student's been absent and all of that, I'm going to show you how to do a quick pivot table. So to do that, you just go up here to the Insert tab, and on the top left of your ribbon, you'll see the Pivot Table. You just left click on Pivot Table and select OK. I'm going to click on OK. And what it'll do is create a new sheet down here, and you'll see this place where your table is going to appear. All you need to do is you're going to take student name and you're going to drag that down here to rows and let go. You're going to take attendance status and drag that down to columns, and then take attendance status and click and drag it down to values. So you're taking attendance status twice. And what you'll see here is this really great chart, and I'll zoom in. You're going to see this great chart of each student, how many times you recorded them as being absent, excused, or present. And taking a look here, you can see that there's certain students that, for instance, the student here was only marked present once for a grand total of 1. So that student most likely dropped the course. The same thing too of this student. Their grand total is 3. They were absent twice, present once, and most likely that student had withdrawn from the course. So this is a nice kind of breakdown if you just need to see how many times you recorded that student as being absent or being excused or present. So that completely is up to you. I know every instructor utilizes attendance differently, so this can help you out. Now we have videos in this series that also help you break down last date of attendance, grouping students individually so you can look at their attendance and all these other options, but it's up to you on what your needs are to use all of this great data with. And as always, if you need anything, feel free to reach out to the Starfish team if you have any questions.